Hey, Jennifer Goodspeed and
Terry Ackerman.
with Onward Realty Partners, and today we're actually going to be talking about keeping a tidy and clean and organized home even in the chaos of kids, work, sports, etc.
Yeah. So we always feel better when our home is in good order. It makes it easier to get our kids ready for school. It makes us fall asleep easier, less stressful, and just makes it easier to have people over and entertain.
So we have rounded up our favorite ones, including first one is setting a schedule for daily and weekly cleaning, just kind of chunking it down.
Another one is just making sure that we're tackling those big chores like cleaning gutters, doing windows, especially on the outside, doing those seasonally and maybe once or twice a year.
And reduce the barriers that sometimes get in the way of cleaning, like making sure that you've got cleaning products and all the supplies and stuff on hand.
Also, just stopping clutter before it happens. So if everybody has an assigned space to actually put the stuff where it needs to go, from shoes to book bags and all that sports equipment, all that kind of stuff, just go ahead and assign those things so that you're reducing that clutter so it doesn't wind up all over your house.
Tackle the small stuff right away. Don't let it pile up to be big things.
That's right. Embrace the evening shutdown. And so that's, kind of treat your house, especially the kitchen, kind of like a restaurant. You just want to make sure and clean up everything before you go to bed. You're going to wake up a lot more relaxed.
Oh, absolutely. And then, of course, think outside the box when it comes to storage. The more organized you are, just the more calm things seem to be.
Yeah, absolutely. And we're also we're here to help you make the most of your home. We're not just here to help you buy a home or sell a home. We're here to help you enjoy the home in the best way possible.
And we have great resources. We've always told you that. So if you're needing a house cleaner, window washers, we even know decorators. We even know people who actually will come into your home and help you organize closets and get rid of things. So not only are we here to help you buy and sell homes, but we're also here to help you just navigate your home in general to make things a lot less stressful. So 27 tips if you go to our website and learn more about how to keep a clean and orderly house to make your life better.